Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. Dear students, I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to study a very important and interesting topic, which is comparison of solution, suspension, and colloids. Dear student, this is a common exam question, and if you understand at once, you'll never forget. So, let's begin step by step. Annotations. What is student and chemistry mixture exist on three main forms. First one is solution, second one suspension, and the third one is colloids. What is student each has different properties based on the size of particles, visibility, stability, and separation methods. Now, the first one, solution. What is student a solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. What is student the particles of solute are so small, less than 1 nanometer, that they cannot be seen with the naked eye or even with a sample microscope. But is student solution are they are stable, meaning particles never settle down even if the solution is left undisturbed. Example, salt in water, sugar in water, vinegar in water. Now, the second one is suspension. What is doing a suspension is a heterogeneous mixture where solute particles are very large, greater than 1000 nanometers. The particles are big enough to be seen with the naked eye. They're unstable, meaning particles settle down and standing. Suspension can easily be separated by filtration. Examples sand and water, muddy water, chalk, powder, and water. Now, the third one is colloids. For instance, a colloid is an intermediate mixture that looks homogeneous but is actually heterogeneous. The particle size is between 1 nanometer and 1000 nanometer. For instance, the particles cannot be seen with the naked eye, but they can scatter light. This property is called the Tyndall effect. Lights are stable, meaning particles do not settle easily. They cannot be separated by ordinary filtration, but can be separated by special techniques like centrifugations. Example, milk, butter, fog, smoke, jelly, and toothpaste. Now, comparative table of solution suspension and colloids. So, property, the first one, nature. Nature of solution as homogeneous and nature of suspension as heterogeneous, and nature of colloids. Colloids appear homogeneous but actually heterogeneous. Now, particle size of solution as less than 1 nanometer, particle size of suspension as greater than 1000 nanometer, and particle size of colloids as 1 to 1000 nanometer. Visibility of solution not visible on suspension, visible to naked eye, colloids not visible but show Tyndall effect. And stability of solution stable, never settle, suspension unstable, settle unstanding, collide stable, do not settle easily. Separation solution cannot be filtered, suspension easily filtered, collide cannot be filtered but separable by centrifugation. Tyndall effect solution have no Tyndall effect, suspension is also known and colloid of tensile effect. Example of solution salt in water, sugar in water. An example of suspension sand in water, mildew water. An example of colloids melt, fog, smoke, and toothpaste. Now, real life connections. Solution lemon juice, cold drinks, or medicine syrups. Suspension Madeira water, flour and water, and glide, milk, pants, clouds, whipped cream. Summary student top. Also remember, solution as clear and stable with very small particle, and suspension as cloudy, unstable, particles settle on standing, and glides look uniform but show tindle effect and as stable. So this is all about today's lecture on the comparison of solution, suspension, and glides. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends and comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.